Hi, my name's Crow, welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums and welcome to this little video. I'm making a sound demo video and it's to accompany one of the listings on our Etsy shop, and it's for this beautiful shamanic drum just here. Now this is a horse skin drum, and as you can see it's dyed. Dimensions are roughly 19 by 17, it's in the oval, and as you can see it's rather lovely, beautiful, kind of a spiral thing happening on the back, on the front of it as well. So turn it over, you can see what we've got on the back, laced with artificial sinew. This is rabbit fur on the handle here, and it's on a hazel branch. The frame is willow wood, and I popped Driftwood Hollow Drums on the inside there, as well as the date of birth. Now the date of birth is to allow you to be able to look up the astrological aspects of the drum, to be able to find out what was happening up in the celestial bodies and what influences they may have had on the energies of the day when this drum was born. So, birthed on 22nd of January 2022 in Knighton, Paris, the UK. That's all the information you should need to make that little chart up. So let's have a little play. That's the purpose of the video, really, is for you to have a little listen to the sound of the drum. I'm going to play with two beaters. This is a firmer beater. I've got a softer beater as well, which I'm going to use. So hopefully you'll be able to tell the difference between the two of those. Here we go. Beautiful. I'm going to have to go off camera. I've left the other beater over there. Here we go. Right then, so this is a softer beater. Beautiful. Okay, well I hope this video has helped you to make a more informed decision when it comes to choosing your shamanic drum. It's very difficult buying online, I do appreciate. So yeah, I'm Crow, Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching, bye for now.